Welcome back to another week of cooking with Square Food Foundation, and this week we've got a really lovely simple store covered ingredients recipe. It's for salmon and pea fish cakes, really quick to make and super delicious. A little bit of lemon zest in there, full of flavour, and served alongside we've just got some watercress here, but you can also serve it with some lovely steamed green veg as well. So I do hope you enjoy it. So you're going to start off by peeling all of your potatoes, cut them in half and then into quarters. Repeat with all of the potatoes. Place them into a pan of water with a generous amount of some salt. Place them on the boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, and a couple of minutes before the end you're going to add in your peas. Next you want to dice your chives into a really lovely fine dice. Pop those into a bowl, and then you're going to add in your picked salmon. So do make sure that there's no bones or any skin in your salmon from the tin. Roughly mash it with a fork just to break up any large chunks, and then you're going to zest the lemon, making sure that you only get the bright lemon sort of skin. Add that into your bowl. Add in a tablespoon of flour and 1 egg. Give it a good stir together, making sure that everything is nicely incorporated. Leave to one side. After your potatoes have had a moment to cool, give them a good mash with the peas, making sure you get rid of most of the lumps. And then you can add that all into your salmon and chive mixture. Give it a really good stir together, making sure that you get all of those lovely flavours mixed through the potatoes. When it's all nice and smooth together, you want to dust a plate liberally with some plain flour and also a chopping board or your work surface. This is just going to make it much easier to shape your fish cakes. Grab a good amount of the mixture. We want about 8 fish cakes from this recipe, and then just roughly pat them into a nice circle and then just dust them in the flour. Pop them on the plate and repeat with all of the other fish cakes. Leave them to chill, and then heat a frying pan with a good amount of some sunflower oil. You can see the pan slightly smoking. You want a nice bit of colour on your fish cakes. Don't overcrowd the pan, sort of 4 or 5 maximum, and then once they're nice and golden on one side, flip the fish cakes over, always away from you, and you can see that lovely golden colour. Turn all of the others over and then give them a nice cook for a couple of minutes on the other side. Once they're all cooked, serve them up with your broccoli or your watercress or whatever you fancy. Enjoy! Thanks for cooking along with us this week. I do hope you enjoy the recipe. Send us your pictures and videos. We love to see what you're getting up to.